What is going on, guys? This is your boy David King in the second video of the series, Unboxing the Best. If you haven't already checked out the first video, definitely go do. I'll put a link down below where I unbox a pair of Air Force One Solo Familia Editions. Very clean, very nice, and most importantly, very affordable. This video series is all about buying some new shoes, getting my personal shoe game up to par, but not having to break the bank, not having to spend thousands and thousands of dollars. So just to go ahead and get right into it, I got a new pair of shoes here today. It came from GOAT. If you've never heard of GOAT, definitely go check out the app. Very cool app. Have a massive amount of selection from used to new. And very good ship times, and also will verify shoes for you. So the first video did have a pair of Air Force Ones. These are actually a pair of Jordan ones. Okay, and I'm gonna go ahead and cut it right on open. The best part about these shoes, and honestly all the shoes that I'll ever buy on this video series, is that they're affordable. You're not gonna have to spend tons and tons of money. So I'll tell you right off bat, I spent less than $120 on these shoes, and I wear size 13. So put into perspective, that's pretty cheap. Right up bat, good packaging, good stuff, and making sure that my stuff's all protected. You've got the shoe box within the box. That's how it's always going to be if you order one pair. If you order multiple pairs, there'll be a bigger box with multiple shoe boxes inside of it. But right up bat, the box looks in good condition. It's the Jordan 1 box, obviously. Everyone's seen this. And just to let you guys know a little bit about this shoe, this is a reverse of an original shoe that came out about 2-3 years ago, where they did the same color scheme, just flipped it in reverse. So I bought these shoes because not only are they very affordable, but they're very clean, and they did really well in the other shoe. The other shoe, which I'll explain in a second, is worth a lot more now. This is your verification. You always get one of these with GOAT purchases, which is real nice. You get a GOAT sticker every time. I'm gonna end up having a massive collection. And right up there, you got the paper, the 23s on it, the gold 23s. I know you can't see that. I'll give you a little close-up shot. This is what it's looking like. Gold 23s all over, which is nice. And then here is the actual shoe that I purchased. So this is called the reverse black toe. The reason it's called the reverse black toe is because the original shoe was called the black toe, which had, like I said, the reverse. So instead of this being all red, this was all black, and instead of this being black, this was red, and so on and so on. You can go down the whole line and go check out the shoe if you want. I love these shoes. I think they're super clean. They're real nice. They're simple. They're not too much, not too loud. They can go with a lot more outfits than some of my other shoes. But what right up bat is just really nice shoe. All leather all the way around. Leather, leather, leather. You got red leather on the front, and then you got the swoosh, which is red. Like I said, on the reverse black toe, this is, I believe, black or white, actually, if I'm not mistaken. But just a nice shoe. And like I said, I got this for less than $120, which for a size 13 is crazy. This is another clean shoe that you can get for affordable. To give you a comparison, the original black toe is now going for somewhere in the range of $400 to $500. So I'm not saying that this shoe is going to go up in value or anything of that nature, but because this is the exact same colors, just flip the colors in reverse, I think this is a great deal. I'm happy with this purchase. It came real good condition. Nothing wrong with the shoe, nothing wrong with the box. Yeah, and this would be another add-on to my collection. So I'll have some more shoes coming in, and they're not all going to be Nikes and Jordans. This is just kind of the first pairs that I got, but I will be moving on to other stuff. So definitely check out the next video that comes out, and I will put out another video very soon going over the shoes I already own prior to making these videos. I do have a selection of different ventures in the world, from my skateboarding experience to everything else. But yeah, check back out. Thanks for tuning in. If you haven't seen the first video, go check out the first video and just keep subscribing and checking in. All right, you guys have a good day. See ya.